Wow. So we have someone with extremely long hair here. I mean, her hair is like almost to her ankles, I would say. Here she is walking into the salon, and the stylist cuts that hair right off. Wow. Can you imagine having hair like that long and going this short? She probably feels so free. So she ends up getting a nice angled bob haircut. Wow. Oh, she looks absolutely beautiful. And look at all that hair. So moving into the next one, here we have someone with a shoulder length hair, and she switches it up with this beautiful pixie. Absolutely gorgeous color. Very cute style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to be checking out some more of your favorite hair transformations. So for the next one, we're going to be seeing a bob haircut. Now she does have hair that ends just above the shoulders. So I'm thinking this might be more of a cut refresh. Stylist has the scissors here and he cuts the hair. Nice classic bob makeover. Gorgeous. And look at that angle, so pretty. So here we have someone, she has about mid-length hair here. Darker roots. So she does end up getting a color refresh. Oh, she went darker. Very nice. She also got some layers with the curtain bangs. Next up, we have a pixie haircut refresh. Now this pixie is very structured. She's got the bangs going here in the front. A lot of volume here. So here we have someone, now she has this burgundy reddish colored hair, which is very in right now. Looks like she's going to be getting a pixie cut refresh. Stylist takes off just a little bit of hair. I really love this color. I feel like it's perfect for the fall season. Very cute style. The flicked bob. So the client starts off with hair around her shoulders. These are the inspirations for the look. So he's actually not cutting that much hair. I do like the shape that this has, and the flick is very in right now. I kind of call it the upside down curl, but it's very in. It's all over TikTok. I really think that this style creates a lot of body to the hair. That little flick just does something where it just creates a lot of body and movement. So if you have hair on the thinner side, you might want to check out this trend. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.